We made this video with my barkada. We're only high school students and we are the exotic fanatics. We create this video to claim the EXO issue. This video contain only a message to all members of EXO. We hope you watch this video and please don't judge us because we know that this video is the only way to express our support. We hope you like this. Kamsahamnida.
Hello, my name is Joanna Elsa Rosales. The first message is for Kai and Bian. I hope this message can inspire you. First of all, I want to know that you are my ultimate bias, and we believe in you. I know and we know that you faces now more challenges. We're so proud that you're still strong. Always remember that even if someone's there to bash or destroy you, we're always here to believe in you. We all know that you do your best just to be the star and you get it, and you deserve it. Maybe one day, they will appreciate your effort. We hope that you won't give up and stay strong. Don't disappoint yourself because of what's happening. Be proud like us. We're so proud of being you. Always remember that your haters is your biggest fan. Don't worry, everything will be alright. And we also hope that in your concert here in the Philippines, you will be one again. We believe in your words. We're still the one. Because we are one on earth. I have a short message for you too. I hope in these small things it can help you to stay strong. First of all, I want to ask you and all of members of EXO if you're all fine. I hope you're still the same, even if there's a small gap between you and other members of EXO. We all know that even if you're smiling in front of camera, deep inside it hurts you. We also know why you need to do that. Because all members of EXO was holding on you, and all of their careers was depend on you too. And because you're the leader, you need to show them that you're strong. And don't blame each other because of what's happening now. Just hold each other's hands and solve this problem with all of your hope, faith, and trust. I know someday you will be one again, and you will be the star again. Just stay strong, never give up, and believe in yourself. Always remember that we believe in your words. You're a big part of our army. Prove to them that you are one. You are.
I'm Marilyn Bilalas. My bias are Luhan, Shumin, and Sanyal. Anyong, Luhan, Shumin, and Sanyal. How are you? Are you okay? We miss your group to perform a new album. We all know that all of you are facing a problem about this Chris Wu fan tweeted in your
You're
group.
my bias sweater. I know that you are still sad because of this unexpected leave. But don't worry, just give him some time to rest. You know that Chris has a sick, right? And you know that I'm sorry. And Baekhyun, you know that it hurts to you, to us fangirls, to see you with a girl, especially you and her in the same car, and the two of you are happy. But I already read your apology message. You, you don't have to do that because it's not your fault, okay? Lay, keep up the good work. I know you're doing your best in your dancing and singing skills. I heard that you've been an MC in a show. You're so good being an MC. Chen Chen, annyeong. I will tell you a little and short message to you. Don't be sad of what happened before. Be happy because you reached your dreams. You are now an EXO member. You have many, many fans that support you. I'm happy and proud of you. Don't lose hope, guys. We're still here to support you. I know that your group have many bashers these past few days. stay strong. We still here to support you, and we will stay by your side. We are one. We are EXO.
Hello, my name is Fidel Anguizal. I came from Philippines. Hello, Sehun and Tao. I know all of you in X group are clueless to this video. I hope you all like the message from my friends. First of all, we create this video because we wanted you to hear our message. Because we are all inspired to all your music videos and the extra showtime that you all created. So my friends and I planned this. Opa, we all know that your group is having a problem. I know that it is really hard to face this problem and continuing your journey because the leader of XOM is having a health problem. But you all of you never fail to amaze us. The way you smile, smile that can hide all your sadness. I know you are all strong even if some people mad, but still you never lose hope. Do you know that all of you are popular in the Philippines? Some of high school and elementary students here are fans of EXO. I hope this video inspired you. We wanted to be complete your group again and make more music videos to prove to other people that you're different in all K-pop. Even if we're different countries, I wish you watch this video. Always think, we believe in your word. Fight, fight, aja, aja.